Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to open Scratch. You don't need to install Scratch, you can just go to a browser and then type Scratch programming. Then this is what you will see. Then you have to click Scratch, Imagine, Program Share. Over here are tutorials. Here you can see more tutorials. Over here are some games, projects, animations and all. Over here you can see more projects and animations and games. So here you can start creating a programming in like games and animations, projects. Over here are the categories for the blocks. In motion you can like move stuff and like point directions, and in the looks section you can save stuff like say hello and switch to costume, switch to background and all. Then it will show the sprite and hide the sprite like that more. And over here in the sounds you can see like play sound, meow is like that, and like that there are even more to edit sounds and all. Over here there are like when flag clicked, when space key pressed and all blocks. Like when flag is clicked it will run a script. And control, they are like conditional blocks, like if then forever, it will do something forever. If that is pressed, then it will do something like that. Like that, even more like sensing, operators, variables and my blocks. You can create your own blocks here. Over here you can watch like it will load a tutorial, you can watch it. I'll just show you for like 15 seconds one tutorial.
With Scratch, you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it.
You can see more of the tutorials like this when you open Scratch. If you want to see more tutorials, you have to click here, or here you can see more. Like this. How to make a Pong game, code a cartoon, animate the adventure game. Like that you can do it. So now you can also like, this is the code place, like when you take move 10 steps it will move, it will make it move. Over here is the output, that's where you can see move 10 steps and all. And over here are the X and Y sizes, directions and the name, that if it's showing or not. So X and Y means X is like the left and right for the character, Y means the up and down for, like this is left and this is right, this is up and this is down. So up and down is Y and left and right are X. And 0 in X and 0 in Y are the center for this sprite. Over here you can like choose a sprite and all. For example, I'll take an apple and our apple comes. Even for a backdrop also you can do it. You go to a backdrop like this, then you can choose like any of it. I'm going to choose the urban. And if you want, you can draw a character like this. I'm going to use a circle. I want a proper circle, so I'm going to click shift and I'm going to click the mouse and make a proper circle. Then I'm going to take the letters, then go to here. You can choose any. This is the default, like S and all. SS. This is the normal way in the it will show like this. If you want, you can make it handwriting curly pixel. I will make it curly. It's curling up here, like that's how it's curly. Like this, I have created a character. I want it to be small, so I'll make it 45. Over here I'll keep it. And if you want, you can also draw a backdrop. Like over here, I want it to make like a blue circle theme backdrop, so I'm going to put types of circles. Like that, you can make backdrops. And if you want, I'm going to make this cat say programming with Jishnu, like that. You have to go to say, you have to take the say block, then you have to write programming with Jishnu. So I'm going to make it even better. Go to events, and when I click this cat, then it will say programming with Jishnu. And if I want to make a ball like move, or a apple, the cat to move, I'll go to control. I'll take a forever if. I'll go to events, take when flag is clicked. Then I'll go to sensing, then when key pressed I'll take, then I'll click it, I'll take up arrow and go to motions and change Y by, I'll put 5, then I'll duplicate this, I'll put it down arrow, then I'll put -5, then I'll duplicate this again. Then I'll put the right arrow, then change X I'll put, and over here I'll put -5. So I click the flag. When I click the sprite, it will say programming with Jishnu. When I move it, it will move. Put this left. When I'm clicking right arrow, it's going right. When I click left arrow, it's going left. And up arrow, it will go up. I'm going to make it cross the boardwalk by clicking up and right arrow at the same time. Then I'm going to make it cross here. Like that, you can do more. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye, and leave a like and subscribe to this channel.